Bonjour, bonne anglaise ici. I'm continuing my tour of Amboise in the Loire Valley. Come and join me. Well, wind on 24 hours and I'm here at Le Chateau Du Clos Luce, which is where Leonardo Da Vinci spent the last 3 years of his life. I'm just going to go and explore. Leonardo da Vinci arrived here in 1516 and he brought with him some of his masterpieces, including the Mona Lisa. Most people just bring their undies and a toothbrush when they come to France. What do you think? There's an incredible underground passageway there. I'd love to go and explore that. Obviously, Leonardo was a very famous painter and thinker, but he was also an incredible inventor. Unfortunately, his thinking was way beyond the technology of the time, so many of his machines weren't made in his lifetime. But there are replicas in here, so let's have a look at a few. Machine guns are for tri-machine cannons. Early helicopter, parachute. I love this military armoured tank. E-scooters. Well, clockwork actually. Here I am in Leonardo's garden. He was largely self-taught and learned everything from nature. Well, this is Leonardo da Vinci's take on Archimedes' screw. Remind you of anything? I don't know if this is the tank or the Apollo landing capsule. Leonardo did a lot of work on perspective, or seeing things in 3 dimensions. Leonardo was a genius, but I don't think he worked out where babies came from. Really, Leo? Eggs? The treadmill. Leonardo's pioneering work on how to use hamsters to lift heavy weights. This is where one of humanity's greatest thinkers died. Was it Oscar Wilde's last words? Either those drapes go, or I do. And this is the adjoining bedroom of this hot chick. This is Marguerite, the Lady of Letters. Surprising, Leonardo lasted into his 70s, really. This is another workshop, his library and scientific curiosities, or a whole heap of dead things.
Ici, je peux jouir de la tranquillité.
I don't know what they're saying, but they're probably trying to explain why an Italian masterpiece wound up in the French National Gallery. I think he had a thing about feet. I've found a little maze in France, so I'm going to test out your theory. Just keep going left. Turn left. Turn left. And I'm at a dead end. Well, that didn't work, did it? Well, that was heaps of fun finding out all about Leonardo. What a clever chap he was. It's really hot, so I'm finishing the day with my favourite pistachio ice cream. Tomorrow I'm off down further south and it's going to be about 39 degrees, so whew, wish me luck. I'm Bonnie English. If you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe.